Hey guys, hi, how are you all? I hope that every one of you is fine and good. Okay, so this is Sai Kiran from LetsUpgrade, and I hope that every one of you is fine and doing amazingly well. Okay, hi everyone. So, how are you all? So, please introduce me from which state you are right now joining in at LetsUpgrade, and what is your utmost motive behind joining in our Python batch. Okay, so this is Sai Kiran from LetsUpgrade. I'm the founder and director at Let's Upgrade, and I just welcome every one of you to this essential batch of Python, where you guys will be starting to build programs and a lot of scripts in Python along with our top class instructor and amazing program coordinator. Okay, so hi guys, I am not able to see your chat anything as of right now, so can you just please send me hi, hello, or something like that in the chat so that I can take this thing accordingly. So, hello everyone. I'm waiting for your chat, and I will be onboarding our instructor in a little while, and also our program coordinator in a little while, and our academics manager also. So, in the meantime, I do this. I just want to understand from which all you are, which all cities and states you guys are here. Okay, so I'm Akshay Kumar from Hyderabad. Hey, hi, how are you? Okay, so and Atharva Are saying I'm from Maharashtra, Kolkata, and someone is looking for a job. Okay, amazing. That's why they're learning Python. Okay, so apart from that, I'm from West Bengal. Who is from Subharna? Subharna is from West Bengal. Khushi is from what is it, Jamshedpur. Wow, amazing. And I also have Hardik. Hardik is from what we say, Gurgaon. And Venu from Warangal. Hi, Venu. How are you? So I'm from Ahmedabad. Wow, Namrata. And Shravan is from Warangal. Hi, guys. Thanks a lot for joining in at today's whole class. Okay. So let me just start this whole thing with cheering up you all why you should learn Python and from where you can learn Python, the top class Python, and then who is all going to help you in this whole journey of conquering to learn Python. Okay, so I myself, Sai Kiran Sundarkar, and I welcome every one of you at Let's Upgrade. Let's Upgrade is an edtech startup. We believe in disrupting the whole education space with the help of providing high quality content that is live, interactive, and at a very, very affordable and free of cost price points. And we believe in learn, build, share, grow, because certificates don't get you a job. Learn, build, share, grow gets you a job. Okay, so that's where we started here. And yeah, so let me now take onboarding of one of our amazing top class trainer, Mr. Mohit sir. So hi sir, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine.
Okay, yes, great. Thanks a lot, sir, for joining in today. I mean, you will be the instructor for taking up this whole Python mini series of 7 days for completing the whole Python course. And now, little bit introduction about Mohit sir. Mohit sir is a regular instructor at Let's Upgrade. He taught more than 7,000 to 8,000 students at Let's Upgrade till date with his other batches. What he had done here, and he had already written five plus books, five plus
Yes,
books
yes,
in
yes, sir.
Python.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yes, okay. So he's like he authored five plus books, and he himself is what we say a person who develops software for various companies in terms of Python. So he's an actual software developer working in Python, Django, Flask, Tincter, Qtify, which are the hot skill set of current century for getting a job. Okay, so he's a living software, breathing software developer, and with which whom we will be learning. Are you guys excited about learning Python? Just get me a small emoji in the chat right now, guys. I'm waiting for an emoji right now. Okay, in the chat. Apart from that, now let me introduce you all guys to our amazing program coordinator, who will be a moderator for you all guys in this journey, who will be representing you all guys in this session when Mohit sir will be teaching. Okay, a student coordinator for representing the students of Let's Upgrade. That is Afreen. Can we get Afreen on the screen? Yes. Hi, Afreen. How are you? You're mute, I think, Afreen. You're
Oh,
mute.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. Hi, sir. I'm doing very good.
Okay, amazing. Thanks a lot, Afrin, for joining in. Okay, so Afrin is here as a program coordinator for Python, and she will be representing all of you guys who are sitting on your mobile phone, laptops, and all, and asking question to Mohit sir. She will make sure that she is asking that question to Mohit sir as in when after every 10 minutes, after every 15 minutes. Are you guys excited about this? Team of Let's Upgrade teaching you all guys Python. Yes or no? We have a Power Pack software developer. We have a student who will be representing students, and I am one of the initial moderator for you all guys. Are you guys excited? Yes or no? Yes or no? Just tell me that thing in the chat. Uh, Okay, so now let me before starting the whole program, I'm here to onboard you all guys to Let's Upgrade, right? So first and foremost, a rule of Let's Upgrade. All of you guys are gonna be rowdies in Python only when you will be like giving your completing the whole Python program and giving away your exam. Okay, so you have to give exam to get eligible for to get the certificate. Our certificate you can go and have a look at letsupgrade.in. You will find it. It's NSDC and Skill India plus ITM group of institutes certificate with universities and all. You will be all getting it for free of cost. 0 rupees. Don't have to pay anything. Just attend this class every day. Clear? So that is one point. Now, second point, when you are attending the class, you need to make sure that you are marking the attendance. Okay. So mark the attendance daily. So regardless of anything, mark your attendance daily. It is in the YouTube description. You guys will be eligible for the exam if at all you mark the attendance for 7 days. From this batch, we will be selecting top 3 random guys who will be putting their attendance daily and giving them Amazon Echo or Google Home Mini. Okay, all the people who are putting attendance daily, okay, we will be selecting 3 people randomly with the help of a Python script and give them Google Home Mini or Amazon Alexa. Is it motivating right now? You should attend it, right? Yes or no? Okay. So one thing is that attendance is compulsory. It is there in your description. Put whatsoever happens, put your attendance. Very first point. Second point. Okay. Second point. Assignments we will give. Okay, we will give you assignments, but it is not mandate for you guys to submit the assignments. Okay, these assignments are optional for you guys to grow and make your mom, dad, and yourself proud of learning Python. That is for you. It is not a mandatory for getting an exam link. Okay, it is only one thing which is mandatory, that is the attendance only. Okay, so second point also I have mentioned. Okay, and apart from that, we will be giving out swags to the top 3 people who will be putting the what we say attendance daily. All the 7 days, who will 6 to 7 days, who will be attending live. And even if you don't attend live, put your attendance daily. That's it. Attendance form will be there in the description. Starting 2 days, the class will happen on YouTube. Third day onwards, the class will shift to our platform. I will be again coming back to handhold you all guys there. Clear? I hope that is it. And now let us talk about your doubts and all. So you will be like a given slot after every 15 minutes. Afreen will come and ask you. Every 15 minutes, you are requested to put the questions in the chat. She will go and further ask the questions to Mohit sir. Is it clear? Yes. How to mark it is very, very simple. Go to description and you will be able to find it. Okay, so I'm done with this. And apart from certificate, from I mean, just go and search how Let's Upgrade certificate is, and that's it. Okay, so yep, so now let us start. Okay, now one more big reason why you should learn Python. Biggest reason, you want to do game development. Are you dreaming about developing your websites? Are you dreaming about developing your own web services, that is APIs? Or are you dreaming to get into data science? Are you dreaming into get into artificial intelligence or machine learning? Everything Python is required. Okay, that's why you should learn Python. Okay, and one more thing, we have a community, that is community.letsupgrade.in, and using our community.letsupgrade.in, you guys can actually find and apply for jobs which we guys provide to you on our community. So we have a jobs portal on our community which you all guys can go and attend, and what we say is, apply for, go check out community.letsupgrade.in. Okay, so having said and done these all things, now let us just go ahead and go to Mohit sir and Afreen. So Mohit sir, what are your expectations from the student learning from this batch?
They listen first and they practice more and more. That thing I want
Yeah.
from them. Listen and
Yeah.
practice. Listen and practice.
Yeah. Afreen, so what are your expectations out of that? Any message you want to give at the very start of the batch as a program representative?
I just want to wish them all the very best and that they have a very good learning experience. And I'm always there to moderate and ask their doubts. So, yeah, I just hope it
Yes.
goes well for every one of them.
Thanks
Yeah.
a
Ask more
lot.
and more
Thanks a lot.
doubts. Yes.
Yes, ask more and more doubt, guys. Okay, so now,
Yes.
yep, I will be now going in the sidelines. Mohit sir, you can start sharing your screen, and we are all good to go and start the class. I will be there till 9 p.m. today, guys, and then afterwards, okay, I want to introduce Subrat sir also. First of all, our academic manager. So he is Subrat sir. So at Let's Upgrade, he handles all the academics. Hi, Subrat sir, how are you?
Hi. Hi everyone. Hi. Hi Sai. Hi.
Okay, so
I'm
people
all
are
fine and I
asking
hope
this
the same with you.
question. People are asking this question, sir. I am from non-IT background. Should I learn Python? Yes or no? What is your take on that?
I'll just like give a simple answer to this. Is Python is just learning like it would be like English. If you know English, then you can easily learn Python. So because it's a very easy language to learn, it's very readable. So guys, so and Mohit sir over here like is a great person, great trainer over here. So he would make sure you all of you learn Python and go from here.
Yep. So thanks a lot, Subrat. So Subrat sir will be here, guys, till end of the whole session. And any question, Subrat sir, Afrin is there, and Mohit sir is himself there here. 3 people, duo or 4 people team. We are all set to rock the Python learning at Let's Upgrade. I hope that you all guys are excited. Please share this whole thing to your friends as much as possible. Okay, and what we say, we want to know about this. Will you refer this program to your friends and want to earn Let's Upgrade coins? Yes or no? Please let us know this thing in the chat right now and send some emoji icons and all, if at all you guys are pumped up and we should start in today's class. Okay, so yeah, just give us a small feedback here. Okay, and regarding notes and all, we are having our all program coordinator and everything, so she will take care of all your academic related questions. Subrat sir is there, he will answer it whenever it's the right time to answer. Don't worry, we are here with only one aim. That aim is to make sure that you are learning and earning this certificate and making sure that you're job ready with Python and going ahead. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys, for joining in. Now I wish every one of you all the best, and I am very much excited to start this. Okay, so thanks a lot. So yes, over to you, Mohit sir, and you can take it ahead from here.
Thank you. Thank you, Sai. Thank you. Okay. Good evening. Namaste. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. कैसे हैं आप लोग? So I'm going to share my screen first. I think it's shared.
Yes, sir, it's shared.
Okay. Thank you. So let's start the Python Essential. My name is Mohit and I welcome you all for this Python Essential course. So let's start from the day one. So let's start with the definition. What is Python? So Python is a general purpose language and high level language. Sometimes we think Python is a language for machine learning. Python is a language for language of data science. That's okay, but that is means Python. We think Python language is dedicated for machine learning and data science. No, Python is general purpose language and high level language. You can do web scraping. You can solve your mathematic problem. You can build your website, web application development. You can do network hacking also. You can do network monitoring stuff. Okay, so it's a general purpose language and created by, you can see name here, but I call him Hero. Okay, Hero, you can see pic behind me, that's a Hero pic. Okay, so that's a pic of Guido van Rossum. That's a Hero. Okay, So let's see the next.
So Mohit sir, can you just full screen your presentation? I think it would be amazing. I mean,
Okay,
आपका
okay.
yes, present कर दीजिए.
We are present. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
I think. Okay. So yes. Now I can
Yes,
think
sir.
you can see. Okay. So where is Python used? So these are the some areas where Python is used beautifully and magnificently. So first is data science. You can data science, machine learning. So you have seen a lot of website they are offering some the data science and machine learning in Python. Okay. Web application development. So Django, Flask are the most prevalent framework used in Python to develop the web applications. I'm not saying web developments, web application development. Network monitoring. So means to monitor the networks, to monitor network devices, we use Python programming language. Game development, natural language processing. So means NLP. So I have a little bit about the idea about the NLP, but people are doing so much stuff in the NLP. IoT devices to monitor the IoT devices means uh, you have consider you have a Node MCU device, Arduino device, so you can fetch the data by using the Python, and you can represent it beautifully on the web screen or database. You can store in database. Web scraping. There are some beautiful framework are available in Python like Scrappy request module. By virtue of that, we can scrap the web easily. Okay. So Afrin, any question from this side, from the student sides?
So
Afrin,
as
any
of now, I'm not seeing any questions yet. So maybe when we progress further, maybe the questions will pile up. So maybe we can go ahead at that time. So
Afrin, I think one
Okay.
of the that question is regarding the PPT and notes. Hey guys, we will be like giving you a summary of whatever we'll be teaching you today. So don't worry regarding it. We have Afrin making sure small 200 words thing are been shared. Summary has been shared to you all guys on your mailbox, and that will be taken care. Okay. So I mean, Afrin, we will make sure that it is done after the class. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Nothing else apart from that. So we can go ahead. Okay, sir.
Okay. So how Python is different from others? So first is multi-purpose. So multi-purpose, so you can solve the modern day mathematic problem. You can develop the website. You can develop the network monitoring stuff. Second is vast library and module support. There are a lot of module packages are available on the internet, means on the websites. Sorry, on the websites. So before doing anything, you can check whether this is available or not. Consider you want to develop software for the astrology. So go there online and check, is there any software? Definitely 100% there's some softwares available for astrology too. So you can run and done. Okay. Readability. Python code is very easy to read. It's like English language. Okay. It's very easy to read. If I can show you one code, just give me 1 second so you can see this code, very English stuff. You can see this is a variable and very easy, like a for and from, very easy to read. Okay, and due to indentation, you can see it's very easy to check. Okay, this stuff is coming under this loop and this stuff. Okay, I'm showing you one more stuff. Okay, you can see here I'm not using any function and classes. Very straightforward programming. If you want to do, you can do without doing any classes and functions. Although it has a power of oops, but still you can write the program uh, without using classes and functions. Let me present. Sorry. Object oriented, yet it is object oriented programming, but uh, in order to write the program, if you do not want to use object oriented, you can skip that. But you can use, but it's a good idea if you learn the object oriented also. Because Python is not purely object oriented like Java. You can write your program without using the classes and functions also. Okay. Python is dynamically typed and strongly typed. So now what is the meaning of dynamically typed and strongly typed? Okay. So dynamically typed means the Okay, let me show you some. Just 1 second. Okay, what is the meaning of dynamically type? In the C language or Java language, you have used this term int a, then a equal to 10. So that is the statically typed. Okay, you have to define in the C and Java kind of language int a is an integer. But in Python, we use this one. This we don't use this stuff. We use this one, a equal to 10. Meant at the runtime, interpreter decide that whether this a is integer or float. Okay, it is a integer, so a is a int type. Automatically, it will take a is a int type. Okay, so that is a dynamically type. So it dynamically type. It means that I'm just again telling you what is a dynamically type. The type of object defined at the runtime. That is the dynamically typed. Okay, I hope you get the sense of dynamically typed. Strongly typed. What is the meaning of strongly typed? Strongly typed means the type of variable doesn't change throughout the program. If this is an integer, it remain integer. If I say this string 1 plus 1, that is the error in the Python. Means this is a string type and this is the integer type, and we cannot add. In the JavaScript type of language, this a, this 1 will be changed. This can in JavaScript, this can give JavaScript can give 2 or 11, don't know. But in this one, this is in this Python, this is the error. Second, last one, platform independent. Platform independent means Python, you can run Python code on the different operating system. Means it's just a matter of copy and paste. You can run your program on Windows as well as on the Linux. Just copy and paste. Okay, until it covers any command, specific command, means Linux command. If it is containing any Linux command, then it will give error. Otherwise, if you are using just Python, just matter of copy and paste. So that is platform independent. Okay. Any Afrin, any question?
Yeah, sir. So there is some visibility issue, I guess. I think they are just looking towards how each and every point can be explained better or something. So maybe they need a more descriptive,
Okay.
description about the different.
Yes, I mean, one more thing which I've observed right now, it is students are looking towards that, sir, what is he? I mean, like, अचानक से इतना सब compile वम्पाइल में क्या कर रहे थे रे
Yeah.
sir? It is like, sir, हमको पहले बताओ कि Python होता क्या है, फिर उसके बाद like, I mean, इसको कहाँ use करते हैं and all. I mean, basic agenda of the whole session to help them. Yep.
Okay. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll come to the point. We just giving you some difference between other language and Python language. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
okay. So in this complete essential course, we will learn what we are going to learn. We will learn basic syntax operators, loop and control statements, and some knowledge about the data structure of Python, like a list, tuple, dictionary, string, and some real life project. We will see some real life projects, and the means we will see the trailer of real life projects, how we can build those real life projects. Okay, real life project like IoT project, like medical data management, like a blog, how to make a blog project. Okay, so this type of real life project we will see in this. Means we will see some trailer of the real life project, how we can build that. Okay. Okay, so what was the question that people are just
Yes,
means
sir. So,
people are students are not understanding that thing, means what
no,
is
no, no.
Python?
They are understanding it. They are understanding it completely. But it was like basically, what is the whole agenda right now? If at all we help them with that, that it would be done. So nothing else apart from that. Okay.
Okay.
So we don't see much questions. Teach in Hindi also. Okay, guys. I mean,
Oh,
Hindi we will do another batch. This batch is certainly towards English. Sir also enjoys teaching in Hindi. I know him very well. He's from northern India, northern part
I'm
of
from
India.
Patiala.
Yes.
I can teach also Punjabi now.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead, sir.
Okay, so Python community. So let's see the Python community. How many? Just see this website. Go to pay.org. Okay, if you have a laptop open, so please check this website. So how many projects are there? These are the projects, and these many releases are there. Okay, now let's see. Search. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake. COVID. There's a trending news in these days. Yes, we have a lot of package of COVID. I don't know what they are doing, but you can see here. Just go there and check. So
So
you can install. Yeah.
so one question is, what is pypi.org? What is pypi.org? What is it?
So this is a website from where you can install the third-party modules,
Third party.
libraries, packages.
Okay, third party libraries. Okay, so I mean, where we can go and install third party libraries inside Python, right? Okay, so thanks
Yes.
a lot. Now you can go ahead. So you have just written that COVID there, and as soon as you wrote there COVID, you got 300 plus libraries. That means that
Yes.
Python community had developed more than 300 plus libraries for COVID itself.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
And you
sir,
can see
amazing.
the date. You can see the date and what they are doing. We will see. We have to see. We have to see their description. Like let's see. This is old. Maybe the old one. Now how to install this one? Just use this command in after installing the Python. Definitely use this one here. Okay, just exit. Okay, open your command prompt. So we will see. Okay, I have installed the Python. So just copy paste. Okay, and done. Type means
Okay,
your computer must be connected to internet. Okay, requirement is
yes,
already satisfied. I have already done that. So you can check other uh,
libraries. Yeah.
libraries, libraries
So
or modules.
there are two questions, sir, as of right now. One is
Yes.
how to install Python. So first, the biggest question which we are seeing, how to install Python, and which is the best way to run Python in our computers, or that is one question. Second question is, what is PIP? Is it something like npm in Node? What is
So
PIP?
it comes with this. This comes with Python to install the Python package. When you install Python, you will get this one, this command.
Okay. So, guys, I mean, as per my understanding, what Sir had mentioned, PIP is being used for installing the Python libraries into our computer, and Python can be installed. So, how can we install Python in our computer?
Yes, so let's see what are the ways. So we will check. So first Python download its official website. Go to its official website. Just search the Python download and you will see www.python.org. Open this one. Now you will see this website. Go to download and select your operating system. If you are using Windows, click on the Windows. If you're using Mac, click on the Mac, or other platform is Linux. If you are definitely that last one is Linux. Okay. uh, I'm clicking on Windows. I'm using Windows 10. I'm also using Linux Ubuntu. Okay. If you are using Windows, just click on this one. And now you can see here the latest version, Python 3.9.1. You can see here it's the latest release. Okay. And come down. You can check other older version. Okay, so Python 3.8, 3.9. Okay, don't download from here, just go here. Note that Python 3. Cannot be used in the Windows 7, cannot be used in Windows 7. Okay, if you are using Windows 7, so you cannot use 3.9 there. Okay, I can see 20% people, 30% still using Windows 7. Okay, so from here you can download the 64-bit version. Okay, 64-bit, just click on this one. Okay, it's embedded package, so sorry for this one. You can click Windows installer 64-bit. Okay, click on this one. So I have already downloaded. That's why this my this one IDM is saying that it's already. So okay, download duplicate. Okay, download. So it will take some time. Okay. So if you are not using this IDM, so you will see icon here. Okay, of downloading. I hope you can see that thing, how to download. Just click on this one. You can download. And other thing. Okay, just give me a few seconds so it is downloading. Okay, 31 seconds. Okay, one more thing you can try. You can also try the Anaconda version. I will tell you what is the Anaconda and what is the Python here. Okay. Okay, Afrin, any question from the student side?
Yes, I mean, Afrin, any questions from your side?
So the most in demand is which one is better comparatively, Java or Python?
Yes, what is better? I mean, like Java or Python, which one is the better language?
Okay, Java mostly used for the software development, and Python we use for the fast, rapid agility means rapid development. Okay,
Got it.
so
Got it, sir.
Java is not easy to learn. Not easy to learn.
Yeah,
Python you can
yeah,
start. You can develop the project from second day, third day after learning. Okay, and Python is easy comparatively to Python. Oh, sorry, so Python is easy comparatively to Java. Sorry, and if you are for the web application development, if you are want to go in the web application development and machine learning or data science, definitely I suggest Python. If you want to go in the software industry very much, then I can say okay, you can choose, you can take any decision by flipping the coin, Java or Python. But if you want to go in the software as well as in the network monitoring, network hacking stuff also, and web application development and data science, machine learning, AI, definitely I give the 100 maximum point to Python. Okay,
okay,
so
okay.
this is I have.
One more question is there, sir. I mean, can we use Anaconda in for this whole learning Python? And this second question attached to it: are we going to learn Python completely, or like what is the level of Python we will be learning here? Okay, so that's the second other question which is being getting ahead.
So first question, what is Anaconda, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Anaconda, actually, this Python contain the built-in package, means what are built by the Python community. Okay, Python developer. And this Anaconda contain the third-party libraries which help you to make the program of machine learning, data science, and some data exploration stuff. Okay, and some web stuff also. Okay, so you can check the size of okay, just go to the product, individual edition, go to here, individual edition,
Yeah.
and go here. You can see the size here, 457 MB. Okay, so consider if you want to do some data science stuff and you have installed this Python. Okay, this Python. So you have to manually install the all the libraries related to the data science and machine learning stuff, or web exploration stuff. But if you use the Anaconda, you will get automatically. Okay, built in. So no need to go for this Python. I recommend you to use Anaconda. Okay,
Got it.
and now Anaconda is coming with Python 3.8. You can
Okay.
just
So
imagine Python 3.8 is here, and all the packages are here like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now size is 457 MB. Yes, sir.
yes, sir. So I mean, like as you mentioned it right now, like I mean, Anaconda comes with all the top class libraries already installed in it as a package. And if at all I install Python individually, going to their official website, I
Mhm.
need to install each and every library what I need. Yeah.
Yeah,
So hey
yeah,
guys.
and that's very tedious job. Seriously, it will take 1 or 2, 3 days.
Okay. So, hey guys, I mean, I hope that you all guys have got this point that, like, if at all you install Python individually, you need to go and keep on installing different
Mhm.
libraries one by one, which is a very tedious job. If at all you just go and download Anaconda from anaconda.com, individual product, you can download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux, and you will be able to get all the libraries, okay, which it's just like, I mean, if at all you are planning to make a curry tonight and you want different vegetables and all, so you all get it at one point of time only. Okay, तुम एक ही बार में सब कुछ खरीद के आ गए and तुमको जो करना है कर रहे हो. Okay, so that is what whatever you want to do, you will do with that all curry materials at one shot. So that's what is Anaconda. Going individually, purchasing everything individually, like aloo individually, chili powder individually, haldi individually. So that is like installing Python and doing things. I hope that you have got the different. I hope that you're like, I mean, you guys are understanding whatever we guys are teaching here. So please tell me that. Just go ahead and install. Just install Anaconda, and any kind of problems you are having while installing Anaconda and all. So you can actually go to community.letsupgrade.in and go ahead and take it up. Okay, so you have to just go and install Anaconda, and there is something like known as Jupyter Notebook there, which will be like talking about going ahead. Yep, so you can carry forward.
Okay, so one thing I want to mention, let me check, do we have any, do I have Anaconda? Anaconda, let me show the exe file. No. So actually this is very lengthy, so it will take 20 minutes. So I'm not doing that. Okay, one more thing, when you install the Anaconda, please check the path. Okay, it will give you path like your username, user, app, something, very ugly path. So please customize that path. Okay, when you install the Anaconda. Okay, let me just give me 1 second so that I can search the where is my Anaconda version and something dtxc at the end. That's the regular expression I'm using. Oh, still not found. Okay, don't worry, not the thing. Okay, so yes, Anaconda comes with Jupyter also, Jupyter Notebook. Let's talk about the editors. After installing the Python, I will show you how to install the Anaconda. Okay, Jupyter Notebook. So just go ahead there after installing the Anaconda and search the Jupyter. And this is very good for the beginners. This is very good for the beginners. How? This is Jupyter Notebook. Okay, go here, new, select the Python version, and you can see the cell. So I'm just increasing my screen size. Okay, okay. So this where you can run your Python code. Okay, so how to write? I'm just using our first program, first ritual. You can say hamari paramparaएं. Hello world. So that's our ritual. Okay.
Hello world.
Hello world. Spelling is okay. Hello world, and then shift and enter. Okay, press shift and enter. Yes, so we are getting the output. Okay, so you can write more lines here, like print one more. Okay, Python programming. Place your mouse here and shift and enter simultaneously. So in this way you can run. So you can write another line here, print, next line, and shift and enter. Okay. So in this way you can run this, run the code from the Jupyter Notebook. Or you can also use any other editor of your choice. So we have considered Sublime version.
Okay. So now, I mean, one of the question is here. Many of the people are asking right now, can they use some other notebook first? Can they use any notebook on their mobile phone? Yes or no? Okay. So is there any kind of Jupyter Notebook kind of provisioning which they can use their own notebook? So probably the answer kind of would be Google Colab. So would you like to show them Google Colab in one thing? So which they can use maybe going forward?
I think I saw Google Colab. I use very बहुत time
Yes,
पहले use किया
yes,
था. I
yes.
don't know.
Yes. So,
Collabs.
Okay, guys. Now, I mean, I know a little bit of a Google Colab. The Google Colab is something. It's a kind of a virtual computer
Yeah.
which you can use on your mobile phone or you can use on your browser. It gives you somewhere around like 13 GB of RAM, 2 gigahertz processor, and what we say 100 GB of memory for compiling your Python code on the Google Colab. It's totally for free of cost, 0 rupees. Not even take a single rupee. Okay, so just go and you can use Google Colab on your mobile phone also. All the people who don't have a computer or something, they can use it. Now someone is like actually mentioning it more and more. PyCharm is best or Anaconda is best. So would you like to answer? I mean, I think you have answered. I would like to summarize it. PyCharm is a kind of IDE. It is being used for it's a kind of a tool which is made for programming for the Python. Okay, Python only. But Anaconda is made for data science related stuff. It actually gives you all the packages at one place and it makes data scientists job easier. But in case of Python, like PyCharm makes software developers life easier. Okay, so there is a little bit different. Anaconda is for data scientists and PyCharm is for software developers who want to create long and big programs. Am I right, sir? Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, Anaconda is a means you can say Python plus libraries.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Python
and
library.
Python plus library, and this PyCharm is an editor.
Got it, sir. Got it.
To run the editor, you must have the Python first.
Got it, sir. Got it. Got it. Got it. It's an editor. Fine. Okay, sir.
It's
Now we can
editor.
go ahead. So go ahead.
So you can use any editor of your choice, which can recognize the Python syntax. There are lot of editors are available. You can see this one Notepad++, and a Spider also. I think I have Spider. Okay, it's SPYD, a Spider. It will take some time to run, and we have actually Visual Studio Code also. There are a lot of editor available. Atom also, Atom is also present. And if you are Windows Linux fan, you can use Vim editor. Okay, so this is the okay, just 1 second. So multiple things are open here. Yes, so this is the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio. This is not Visual Studio. It's a Visual Studio Code. Okay, so write your code here, like hello world, and run from here. You can run from here, or just I think this is also a. So you can see run hello world. He's here, and you can also run from here. Python first. I think this is not a good idea. You can run here. You can run from here, and you can run Python and give the complete path of this program. Okay, hello world. So Visual Studio Code is also a good editor. People are using it. Okay, you can also use this one. And Spider also. In the Spider, this is what is the beauty of Spider. You can write single command, or you can write complete program here. So you can shift this pane from here to here, and now you can see here. Just click on this one. Here you can write your program. Okay, so means you can shift the this small windows to its place. Okay, so you can write your complete program here, like print hello world. Okay, so now I think there's a button to run this one, run the program. Okay, I
Okay.
will see how to run. But there are a lot of editor. Okay, but uh, if you are using one, please stick to the one, because if you are using a lot of editor, you will get confused. Okay,
Got
so
it, sir.
mostly I use for the Windows stuff, for 10 or 20 line I use Notepad++. This is very lightweight. But for the project purpose, to build a complete project, I prefer Sublime version. Okay,
Got it, sir.
Sublime version. Okay, let me show. This is a Sublime version. This represent each and every file in the tree structure. Tree. You can see here. This is tree blog project, and this blog, and this is a folder, and these are the file. Okay, file this tree structure. So I prefer Sublime version for big project, and for small lines, 10, 20 line, I use Notepad++. Okay.
Yes, sir. So, sir, can we stick to Jupyter Notebook? I mean, for this whole program, because lot many students are asking it as a kind of request in the chat. I can see that. So, what do you think about it?
Yeah, for a beginner purpose, I you can we will use this Jupyter notebook for one program, two program, but for the complete project we will use Sublime version, means in the advanced section. But for this essential course, definitely we will use this Jupyter notebook
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Fine.
because it is showing the beautiful output, and that's what uh, a beginner looking for, right?
Yes, yes, got it.
Okay, so where we let me show the see the slide. Okay. Okay, okay. Any question for Afreen?
Afrin, any questions as of right now? You can see.
Yes, sir. They are just figuring out how to install the IDE and all the other basic
Okay,
components to get started with the course. But as I've mentioned in the comment section also, that it will be dealt with once we start with the process. So all of this information will be given, whatever is required for the course. So they'll just have to stay tuned, I guess.
okay. I'm showing you one step how to install the simple Python. Okay, simple Python for this essential course. Simple Python is okay. Okay, for advanced course, you can uninstall it and you can install the Anaconda. Just let me show you this stuff. Okay, so this is a screen. Once you download it, just click on the Python. You will see this screen. Okay, what to do? Add 3.9 to path. Click on it. Okay, click on it. Go to the customize installation. Okay, you can see pip here. Automatically coming with this Python setup. Next, stop here. Don't press install. You can see this ugly path. App data local. Remove this one. Okay, remove this one. And this same step you will see in the Anaconda also. Okay, customize installation location. So people, what they do, they press next, 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 and then they don't know where they have installed Python. Okay, so go to the C drive or any drive of your choice. Create a folder of your name, any name like Python 3.9. Okay, 3.9, whatever you want to write. Okay, open this folder, copy the path of this folder. It's very easy. Just okay, just go here and copy the path and paste here. Simple. And press the install button. As I have already installed, so I'm not going to install. Press the install button. You will get the Python ready.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So after installation, I'm canceling it. Okay, I have already installed. Okay, after installation, open your command prompt. Open your command prompt and type Python. You will see this kind of screen, Python 3.9.1, because I have installed the older version of Anaconda, so I'm getting this one. But you will get here 3.9.1, sure, and you will see this prompt here. So this is the Python shell where you can run one or two commands, simple commands like print statement. Okay, okay, this stuff. Now close this one. Take any any editor, any editor. So we will come to the Jupyter notebook. Don't worry. Take any editor of your choice. Okay, let's see how we can save the program in the Python. So print any date. Okay, save this one. I hope you can save. Create a folder like let's upgrade classes. Okay. Save here. Like first, use any name here, any name. .py. So .py must be present. Okay. Press save. Done. So you can see color scheme. My editor is now recognizing the Python syntax. So you can use any editor, but one thing sure, your editor must recognize the Python syntax. So it will be very easy to recognize. This is the print is a statement. Print is a you can say it's a statement for Python, and this is the normal thing. This is just a string here. Okay, and how to run. Very basic way how to run. Like Java and C, we can run our Python code. How? Go to your command prompt. I'm giving a very simple way. Simple way. Okay. Go to your command prompt and where you have saved your program. I hope you know very well where you have saved the program. So I have saved in the G drive. Okay, G drive, CD, my ex, CD dot my experience code. Let's okay. Type here Python and your program name. Okay, I think it's let's class. Sorry. So it's let's class. Okay, here I have saved my program. So Python and program name. Very simple. Where you have saved the program, go there, type Python, first py and write. Now, in this way, we can run our program. This is a very basic way to run your program, and I'm still using this stuff. Okay, but for learning purpose, you can use Jupyter Notebook. Okay, where is Jupyter Notebook? This one. Okay, so here no need to do that stuff like this one, command prompt stuff. Just write your stuff and shift and enter. Okay, any doubt? Anyone? Afrin, any doubt from?
Oh no, sir, this seems to be clear for everyone.
Hey guys, any doubts? I mean, like, Arvind is trying to get these. I mean, if any doubts, please let us know as of right now, so we can ask. So, I mean, like, and one more thing, are you guys getting? I mean, like, whatever we are teaching here, we don't want to actually take it. I mean, very fast or something like that. Are you guys literally understanding whatever guys we are teaching? So just please let us know in the chat if you guys are like not getting it. So please be very frank. I mean, like, we will change our gears and we will make sure that end of the day you are understanding whatever we are trying to teach. Okay. So Jupyter is better. We know that we will continue in Jupyter. It is just that sir is teaching you what we say the very basics, that how you will be going ahead and taking it ahead. Okay. So yep. So just don't very get worried and all. We are all there to make sure that you are very much clear and in learning. So yep. Okay, sir. All up to you now. You can take it ahead, I think. Any questions,
Okay.
please let us know.
Yeah, Jupyter is better for understanding purpose. Okay. Okay, so let's see which companies uses Python. So there are a lot of company, but we have listed few. Okay, let me present. Okay. Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify. I'm not saying they're completely using Python. They miss for some reason they are using Python. They are using multi languages. Python is one of them. Okay, Instagram, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox. Okay, Dropbox is a where the Guido van Rossum retired. Okay, now the Guido van Rossum joined the Microsoft. Okay, retired from the Dropbox, and Reddit also use some Python for some stuff. Okay, so we have seen this Anaconda version, so you can download Anaconda from this website and you can install. So it means you can install basic Python as well. You can also use Anaconda. But if you need Jupyter Notebook, I recommend you to install the Anaconda. Installation is same. Installation is very much same. Just one step you need to take care. That is the installation path. Give your own path. Okay. Now let's see this slide again. Okay, so editor we have already talked about. Jupyter, Spider. There are a lot of editor available online. But for learning, but for if you are beginner, so I recommend you to use the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, you can see the output in very beautiful manner. Okay, some basic syntax. So what is Python shell? So once you install the Python, just type here in the command prompt. This is the Python shell where you can run one or two your one commands, not complete program, one two command. Okay, like okay, I use this one very oftenly if I want to do some calculation stuff. Consider I have some amount to done like this, how to addition of this one and the multiplication. I prefer this one, this command shell. Consider I want to fill some form and they need some my PAN card in the lowercase, but I have saved my PAN card in the uppercase. Consider this is my PAN card. Okay, PAN card number. Oh, sorry, not this one. Okay, lowercase, but they need uppercase. So just use the simple command. We will tell how to use. Okay, uppercase, simple stuff. Do you think we can do this stuff in Java language? I have to write 10 line, then I'll get the uppercase. But in the Python, you get just in one line uppercase, lowercase. Okay. Okay. Next is print statement. We have seen print statement in different editors. Now it's time for the triple quote. Triple quote. So let's see the triple quote. What is the meaning of triple quote? Okay, there are multiple use of triple quote. What is triple quote? Let's see first. So this is the triple quote. Triple means double quote 3 times or single quote 3 times can form the triple quote. So now what is the purpose of triple quote? You can ask the question, okay, you are saying triple quote, but what is the purpose of triple quote? Okay, whatever you write in the triple quote, whatever you write, it will print as it is. Do you know the old times text SMS we used to send the text SMS art to our friends? This is the bunny, please send to this 10 person. But consider same thing you want to print in your Python. So how we can print that? Let's see some stuff here. Okay, not very. I cannot see any simple stuff here. There are a lot of different stuffs. Okay, I can see this one. This is very good. Copy and type here right here. Okay. Let's see. Run. Shift enter and done. Now I can see beautiful. What is this? I don't know. Afrin, can you see this one? What is this? This owl or some
Yes,
eagle?
yes, yes. It's all. It's all. It's all. And
Owl.
triple
Yes.
quote has been basically a print for what we say, like any kind of complex spacings and all we need to give. There we use triple quotes, right?
Yes. And
Yeah.
also we can use triple quote to comment the code, comment purpose. So for one
Got
and
it.
two line, you can use the hash. So yeah, so yes, hash, pound sign. Sometimes people say pound sign, hash. Okay, but consider we have 10. I want to make 10 line comment as a 10 line as a comment. I can do this stuff hash 10 times, but that's a very lengthy job. Okay, 20 line, 20 time hash. No. So we can use triple quote. Okay, let me show some code. Okay, I'm showing you some code, how we can do that. Consider this is stuff I want to make from here to here as a
Got
comment
it.
so that our interpreter shouldn't read. So instead of using this one hash 10 times, I can use triple quote. Now I can see the color of this one. So this part from here to here, it becomes
Sir,
the
sorry to interrupt.
comment.
Can you please zoom in a bit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So sorry to interrupt. Can you please zoom in a bit?
Zoom in. Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay. So,
I think this is okay, this stuff.
yep, sir. Yep, sir. It's totally visible.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So in order to make triple quote, you can use double quote 3 times. Okay. Double quote 3 times and that, but please make sure that must be end with the double quote. If you are using here double quote 3 times, double quote 3 times here also, yeah, at the end. Okay. So this is the second purpose. And third purpose, in order to make the query of SQL. Consider you want to make complex query of SQL language, MySQL. You can use triple quote for that. Okay, and we will see in the advanced stuff how to write the SQL queries. Okay, I hope you get the sense of triple quote. Any question on the triple quote?
Um, No, sir. The triple code thing looks clear, I guess.
Okay, great, great, great. People are understanding.
So I just can recall one question actually, sir. I would like you
Mhm.
to answer that. So people were asking actually, is Python like platform independent?
Yeah, it's a matter of copy and paste. Okay, it's a matter of copy and paste of code. But if your Python code consists of any specific operating system command, then that code is not a platform independent. But if you are using just print statement and doing the same simple stuff, then it is a platform independent code.
Got it, sir.
Okay, but
Got it.
okay, but consider, let's just give me one simple example. Consider you want to run ping. Okay, just to give me ping. Okay, I hope people know what is a ping. Okay, want to send one packet. So this command is different in Linux and different in Windows. So consider my
Yes.
code contain the ping. Okay, ping, and I run my code on the Windows. And if I shift my code Windows to Linux, then that program will give some error. Command not recognizable. Okay. So, but if you are just using the simple stuff, that's platform independent. Okay.
Got it, sir.
So I
Got
hope
it.
you get the sense. Okay, let me have some water, please. Okay. And you can see here,
In the meantime, let me talk to these all people. Hey guys, how are you all? So I hope that you all guys are understanding the concepts. And apart from that, please do let us know, should we speed up or like should we slow down, or should we? What is that? I mean, you are expecting out of us. I mean, please let us know in the chat, and we will follow like whatever you guys are mentioning it to us, because we generally love to. I mean. Make sure that you guys are understanding all the things which is being taught here. It's not a regular college, it's not, I mean, a regular school. It is more to do with Let's Upgrade. And so people are okay mentioning it up. I mean, Q&A session, please. Okay. So, sir, I mean, even I would suggest, I mean, if at all we can, whatever we studied till now, let us, I mean, break it till here. I know, I mean, I may be like asking you too much in here regarding your schedule and all. Can we do a question and answer session? And people are even asking us to, like, I mean, speed up sir, a little bit. So, what do you think, Mohit sir? What would be the best solution here?
as question answer means people are.
Q&A,
Should
I
I
mean,
give?
he will be asking us all the questions and we will be like solving them all. So what do you guys think about a Q&A session? Okay, so what do you think about a Q&A session? Please let us know. It's good, like, okay. Okay, so please be very frank, guys. I mean, we are listening to you all. So, I mean, please do let us know what is your thought. Yes, it's a good approach. Okay. So they are thinking about literally, sir, regarding Q&A right now. So what do you think, Subrat sir? Should we go about a Q&A, or like what do you think about it?
Yeah, definitely. We
Okay, sir.
should go
I'm okay with
actually
that
at the
Q&A.
end, like after we
Yes.
complete with all the things. That
Yes,
not
because
in
it's
the
the
middle.
very first day, right? I mean, it will be fully loaded for them. I think that's what it is like. I'm okay. So just let's go ahead and okay. Hey guys, now I mean, you guys can ask us any question regarding what we say Python, whatever you have studied till now, till today, and we will be solving them all one by one. Whatever your questions are, sir will be solving it. And we have more 15 minutes or something like that for wrapping up our whole session for the day, and then we'll be continuing this further tomorrow. Okay, so I mean, you guys can ask question, and Afreen will be selecting all of them and giving it to us one by one. So please let us know what all your questions are, question answers. So one is the question which is like, what is the order of namespace in which Python looks for an identifier? I mean, like, I think this is something which we have not caught up today. And what is okay? What is data science all about? So what is pickle and why we use it? Because I think they saw pickle in your code and they were like, what is this pickle? I mean, sir has like mentioned it here, what to do and all. So yes, so what is pickle? So first of all, that's the question.
Yes. Pickle to
Okay,
preserve the data structure, like a list, list, tuple, dictionary to the into the file system
got it. So I mean,
to store the complex data structure to the file.
okay. Okay, so I mean to hold a particular data structure in a file. I mean to store a particular data structure in a file. We use pickle. That's what you're mentioning, sir. Okay. So
Yes,
now the
yes.
next one more question, Afrin. I mean, are you able to see any questions which are what is ping? What is ping, sir? What is ping? PING.
Ping is a program offered by the OS, not the Pythons. First of all, this is a OS program to ping the any kind of server to send the ICMP packets. Okay, this is not a Python. This is just a OS related stuff.
I
Okay.
mean, this can be used for checking our internet is working, yes or no, right?
Yes, internet working and the target computer like Google is alive or not. Okay.
Okay. Got it, sir. And what is the alternative to ping in Linux? Do you know? I mean, do you have any idea
Yeah,
about it,
yes.
sir?
Actually, command. Actually, if I want to send one ping packet, okay, one ping packet. So let me see the command. Yeah. So consider I want to send one ping packet to google.com. I use this command.
Got it,
Okay,
sir.
one ping packet. But in the Linux, for one ping packet, I use ping minus C and one.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That's the
Got it.
difference. Okay.
All right. And so one more question here is triple double quote is used for what? One thing is you have mentioned that is for printing special lines, special
Mhm.
spacing lines. And second thing you have mentioned is comments, right?
Comment. Yes.
For writing comments, we use triple quotes. Yeah. So anything
Yes.
apart from that, triple quote has been used?
To make the SQL queries, just giving you one example.
Yeah.
Sometimes people fear after seeing that code. No, that's why I don't show them.
Okay.
Generate. Just give me 1 second. I don't know file name, but my Finder program written in Python will find that. Okay, this file. Let me open this file from F1. First file, open computer Jarvis. Okay, and okay. So let me. So this is okay. I think you can see the font. So this is the complete SQL query. You can see this very lengthy query. This one.
Got it, sir.
So you can see the triple quote. Just copy paste from the MySQL and you can set here. Very lengthy
Got
query. Even I cannot understand this query. What is the meaning of this query? But this is a
got it.
very lengthy SQL query. Okay. I have to
Got
get the
it.
sense. Okay.
I mean, actually, like what we say that to run a very complex SQL queries and all, we still
Yeah.
use the triple quotes. Okay, and
Triple
one
quote.
more here question here about tell about data science. I mean, like tell about data science, sir. I mean, what do you think? What data science is and what are the packages which are being used in Python for data science?
Okay, mostly people for data exploration purpose, before jumping data science, people use pandas library, numpy, scikit-learn, uh, and scipy, and other packages like keras, uh, tensorflow. I know the names, but I use the pandas libraries, numpy libraries uh, very much. But
Got it.
okay, but for very much detail, you can give much detail about the data science here.
Yes, 100%. I can actually add on value here. So, hey guys, I mean, data science is all about like, see, I mean, nothing rocket science there. It is all about some statistical learning what we have from the past, a mathematical base. We see some kind of pattern. Based upon that pattern, we predict something. Okay, so that prediction can be a corporate, how much a corporate will sell. From there to making our computers take decision for us in terms of a self-driving car. These all are a part of data science. Data science usually cover from machine learning to deep learning to various other segments like natural language processing and all. Okay, so it is literally about we have tons of data generated day in day out, and using that data day in day out, what are the insights what a human being can't predict easily, a computer can do. Okay, so that's what is all about, like data science in a long story short. And I have other experts in data science like Dr. Darshan Ingle, Govind Raj, and Dinesh Babu, and like very much other person who will be probably giving you a session on data science going ahead. Okay. And now, what is the scope of Django, sir? This is one of the question. And guys, okay, one more thing. Tomorrow we will be continuing the whole class. Okay, to today, just because it's onboarding stuff, and I feel, I mean, you guys maybe not what we say totally in it and get making okay yaar abhi sir ne ye sikha diya, like sir taught us this also, sir taught us this also, everything sir is teaching. I mean, you have to recall it like tomorrow, so it should not be hard for you guys. That's why I break it in for a kind of Q&A session. Tomorrow we will be continuing it from here. Okay, so can we learn Python in 7 days? What do you think about it? So this is the question what one of the student is asking.
Okay, actually, I have written a book, Learn Python 7 days also for Pact
Wow.
Publisher. But I feel you cannot learn any language. Consider Python. I'm taking the example of Python. Not in 7 days, not in 1 year also. Okay, yeah, I'm still saying. Sometimes people say, "Do you know all Python?" No, I'm still learning. Everything is experience. Everything is experience. Consider you have 1 day experience. You have 7 day experience. You have 1 year experience. To 7. Nobody can learn complete Python.
Got it, sir. Got it. So I mean, it's
It's
all
all
about
about
like
experience.
experience,
Yes.
which we keep on taking ahead and going ahead.
Mm.
So yeah. So now let us move on to the next question. So okay, yes. One thing, guys, in 7 days at least, we will make sure that you are understanding the basics and you
Basic.
are capable enough, and your worry and your fear of, "Arey yaar, Python kya hota hai? What is Python?"
Mm.
That will
Yes.
go.
Yes.
That will 100% go. That we will make sure. Clear. And
Yes.
apart from that, what's the scope of Django and Python? So what that one more question is there. Amarpreet Singh is asking. So what do you want to? What do you think about it?
Okay. Django mostly used for the web application development, not web. Don't say web development. Web application development. And 70% market means if you talk about Python, 70% if web development, 70% captured by the Django framework.
Got it, sir. Got it. Got it. Amazing.
Mostly used and modular structure. You will love the Django, definitely.
Got it. Amazing, sir. And one more question here is like Python is little bit slow. What we say as compared to other programming languages. Would you like to comment on it, sir?
Yeah, Python is a slower than C language and Java language, but it has a lot of other thing like it's how writing code is very easy. So कुछ अच्छाइयाँ भी है, कुछ खामियां भी हैं. Okay, so we have some good thing as well as bad thing, but good thing is very enough. So bad thing sometime we can side that thing.
Yeah.
If we talk about like machine learning, so we have some library that's written in C language, and we use that library by using the Python. So we will get the speed near about the C language, unoptimized code of C language, means greater than Java and near about the C language if we use those libraries. Like matrix
Got
multiplication.
it.
Let's talk about the matrix multiplication. If you use Python, you'll get a very slower result compared to the C language. But if you use NumPy array, you will get the near about C language speed.
Got it. And so one more thing which I want to mention here, it is like, hey guys, Python is 100% slower than other languages. I mean, it used to matter a lot in previous times when RAM was less, processing speed was less, and when space was less. That time Python was also considered less. But right now, Python is booming because your, as Subrat sir mentioned it today, okay, your what we say space is cheap. Okay, your processing speed is cheap in these days. Okay, you get plenty of processing speed. Your mobile phone basically have more processing speed than your laptop right now. Okay, so that much processing speed you are actually roaming here and there with. That's why Python is like very easy to do, and it goes hand in hand, and it doesn't matter if it is small like slow and all. Okay, it literally doesn't matter right now. Okay, now one more next question is Jupyter is only Jupyter notebook is only used for learning process, or is it used for in a real life example in our real life deployment anywhere? Okay, so I would like to take that question, sir, but I mean, you answer it first, then I will take it out.
So Sai, you have used the Jupyter notebook very much. So please give me.
Yes, yes, yes. So 100%, sir. It is one thing, guys. I mean, Jupyter Notebook is used for learning and development purpose more and more, and data science is all about learning and seeing the results in the next line. So for data science purpose, Jupyter Notebook is a number one fit. You can't do data science this much perfect than Jupyter Notebook and any other Jupyter Notebook kind of program interface. Even if you use PyCharm and all for data science, you can't do it. Okay, but as in case for real-time deployment purpose, then you use py file. For that, you like opening py file, you have to use a notebook, so Notepad plus plus or PyCharm or Spider, which actually directly interact with py file extensions. Okay, so for that purpose we use Python directly. ID is for learning, and for continuous research purpose we use Jupyter Notebook for constant. And for Jupyter Notebook, the extension is .ipynb file. Okay, so that's where it is. And one more question is, can we get recording of this class? 100% you guys can attend the recording. Now only one request it is, guys, please mark your attendance. Okay, mark your attendance. You will be eligible for Google Home Mini and Alexa. If at all you put mark your attendance on the 7 days. One is that, and second part is that the attendance is very much important for your exams. Okay, and yep, sir. So that's what. So what are the projects which we are going to build in the end of the whole this whole learning curve? So would you like to mention it once? And that's the last question, I think, and we can end our whole session for today.
Yeah. So means after end of this essential complete stuff.
Yes. I mean, like after whole essentials completed, what all projects these are? You have mentioned blog and all. Blog you have mentioned. You have mentioned
So,
other stuff. What is that?
so we will see blog project,
Okay.
and one is IoT device and IoT project.
Got it, sir. So one is IoT project and one is blog project.
What is a template? Smart house. You can say smart house kind of thing.
Got it, sir. Got it. So these are the two things which we will be going ahead with, right? Okay, sir. So anything else? Okay, one of the I have 7 years of experience on PHP. Can learn data science and machine learning and get job. Pramod, I would 100% appreciate you if at all you can go ahead and start learning this thing, because yes, PHP and all gives you an ample amount of business experience. Okay, which you need to have. And data science is all about having business experience in the past and taking down making use cases and certain analysis based out of it. Okay, so you have experience as a programmer. At the same time, you have the experience as a business requirement developer. So what a client needs, you might have developed it for 7 years. That's amazing part. And if you learn machine learning and data science right now, what you can do is you can actually understand what all use cases a business need, and you can develop a few APIs, machine learning APIs for them accordingly. Not only that, you can actually understand very easily what is the language they are talking, what is that they require. Okay, so yep, amazing decision if at all you go start taking it. Okay. Yep, guys, that's what it is, and we will be building these projects, smart home project and a blog project, which probably I think will use a Django in behind. Yes, sir. Am I right or wrong? Yes, Django, right? Django, which will be built in there. Okay, guys, so that's what it is, and thanks a lot for joining in today. And Afreen, I mean, any points you just want to mention, or Subrat sir, you want to mention anything?
Yes, sir. So there's one question which came up, which I thought was interesting was, so what is meant by Python full stack developer?
Okay, so Mohit sir, would you like to take this question?
So full stack developer means like if you know front end as well as back end. So that's a full stack developer. From front end, like a web knowledge means you should know web development as well as web application development. And for the back end, you must know the database thing and Python also. So that's why
Yeah.
I know in this day what is a full stack developer. If you want to add Sai, you can add definitely.
Yeah. Full stack development is nothing, guys. See, I mean, a developer who can do everything. Okay, basically these days, each and every company want a person who can do everything for them. We don't want to set up a big teams and all. We want a person who can be robust and who can do end to end all the projects. A full stack developer is a person who actually develops end to end. Let it be a Python Python-based database scraping and database understanding, making queries on the database. At the same time, Python-based APIs which can be hosted at any point of time on the cloud and all. And at the same time, like Python-based front-end querying and making the DOM manipulations. When I say DOM manipulation, it is more to do with website updating in real time. I mean, one of the best websites which I know is fully based out of Python and Django is probably what we say. It is a hospital based lot of like I know one of the website which is I think Career 360 or something, so which is being fully developed and deployed on Python based Django. Okay, so Django for the front end and APIs for the back end, that can be done with the help of Flask and all. At the same time, data uploading part, again using Qtify or Tincter for data uploading part. And for database, again, you can interact with SQL and other part there. Okay, so that's what I mean, all centric development which can be covered end to end with the help of Python. That's where. So yep, that's what it is, guys. And I hope this was the last question. Anything else, Afreen?
What is the pathway for complete Python programmer?
A pathway for complete Python developer can be simple as this. Start with the very basics, complete it on the time, and practice it more and more. Then venture out into being a full stack developer in Python. If at all you want to be into that software domain, if you want to be into a data science domain, then venture out into like start learning data science and machine learning algorithms and start implementing it on data sets. That's what is the complete pathway. There is like start with basics, then merge out into either data science or merge out into full stack Python development. Yep, that's what. Okay, so yep, guys, that's it. And I think we can end our session today. Like last 15 minutes, we actually took your all questions and all and made, I mean, your learning curve little bit easier for the day. So thanks a lot, I mean, Mohit sir, for, I mean, adjusting to the students' request in the very end. I know that we have disrupted your whole flow today. So like you had planned like so much of things. Now you are thinking that sai kaise khatam hoga yaar agar tu aise disrupt karega to beech mein. So I 100% agree. So I mean I apologize for that completely. But yeah, so thanks a lot for I mean taking in the students request there, and we will take things ahead accordingly from tomorrow. And tomorrow, so you will not see my face, and you can continue on. I mean, like taking up all the things. Okay. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for like being here. And yep, that's it. And nothing else. Yep. Just mark on your attendance and all. Anything you want to mention, Afin?
Yes. So there is this question where the college students they keep asking this question. I saw this in the chat. So is it about can I get a college placement as a Python developer, and what are the steps for it?
Very simple. I mean, you can get as a Python developer. It's just that make yourself pro in either full stack Python developer for software, or either make yourself pro in data science related stuff using Python. So these are the two ways to go ahead. Make as many projects as you can. That's it. If you have projects, finish. You are a placeable material. That's it. That's the only key. No certificates, nothing will get you placements. Only thing which will get you placements is the projects which you build. So just keep on building projects as much as possible, and that's where you will be. Okay. So yep, having said and done these all things, chalo, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. And Mohit sir, you can end up the whole session, and we'll be meeting tomorrow then.
Okay, bye everyone, and stay tuned for the next session.
Okay. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Take care.